Alright, so I got a lot of requests of doing some more back testing, so I guess I'm going to be doing more. So ignore this at the bottom here. So this is the beginning of the morning. It's 4:30 a.m. For some reason that's the open. So we're inside this big 4-hour gap. So I'm gonna be bullish no matter what out of this. Obviously, we're about to make an hourly gap. This is gonna be my main draw on liquidity. Is 1 hour intermediate high. Let's see, high inside of a gap. If I can drag this here, there we go. And if we could sweep this low out off open, this would be even better. Sweep this out, and then oops. I don't really know how to do it, but if we could sweep this low out, and then make a higher low here, and then make a higher low, and then keep continuing up, but we'll see here. Okay. So we just did off open, we came into that 15-minute. Also a 5-minute. I'll see if we continue to go up and make a 5-minute gap, which we most likely will do here. Let's see if we make a 5-minute gap. Okay, well, thing is, yeah, we came into this 15-minute gap up here. We did inverse this 5-minute. This tiny 5-minute. This does break my rules, because if I were to take this, it breaks my rules because we took out this internal low. This could work. I don't mind this. Actually, no. I'm gonna skip this. This is what it would be right here. So if you were to take this, you would take this 5-minute close. My stop would probably be above this body high. Oops. Just targeting this body low here. Yeah, this is probably gonna hit, but okay, yeah, that would hit my stop loss. So super choppy. Okay, well, next day, avoided that loss. We do have a slight move up. We are Actually, no, we're not rebalanced in this range. I don't think so. Okay, so we are rebalanced in this range. On the 15-minute chart, we're bouncing off this 15-minute gap. On the 5-minute time frame of the open, we did open high. We actually did tap in to this 5-minute fair value gap, which I explained before. If we get a inverse fair value gap here, I would gladly take a long position. Like this 1 minute, I don't know if we have 2 minute, yeah. Highest time frame in the leg here. If we get a close above here, I would gladly take this 1,000,000%. Okay, right there. Yeah, 100% I take this. 15-minute, oh my god, yeah, that looks gorgeous. Stop loss would be right above these, right below these body lows. And honestly, I would literally just target, oh, perfect, right here. These internal highs. I don't even know how to take this trade. We just okay, sweet. Okay, well, it's done. Okay, well, coming into this morning, so clearly we have this obvious order block right here. We have a series of down close candles that got sandwiched by 2 up close candles. And obviously right here, this candle closed above these down close candles. Clear period of a break of structure. Thank you to TJR. Another sign of bullish structure. We have a 1 hour bullish rally gap that we're sitting in. Clear sign. As you know, my favorite sign of bullish order flow. We're just clearly going up here, but we're just displacing higher and higher and higher. And right now, I bet we're sitting right at about equilibrium. This price range from the highest high to the lowest low, which we're sitting pretty much directly in. So off open, just directly. Well, like as you can see in the 1 hour time frame, we have this bearish 1 hour for belly gap above. Obviously this bullish rally gap below. Also this one we're sitting in. So we're just gonna wait to see off open, see how we react. I mean, we'll see. Okay. Okay, so kind of a weird wick off open. So we kind of had a kind of choppy off open. I mean, as you can see, we kind of just wicked up, closed, wicked up, wicked down. See what we do here. I just want to see if we pulled into any gap here. We are sitting in equilibrium, and you can't see too far to the left, but we are at all-time highs, I think. So, I mean, longs wouldn't be horrible with this LR above, but we can see here. Yeah, so we don't have any gaps above here, so okay, no. Right now we're just clearly displacing lower. So like right now you just want to sit back, especially when we're just dumping like this. If we're dumping like this and you have like clear like equal lows like this, like right here, clear equal lows. So like if we pull back into, I'd say like a 5 minute or 15 minute, I mean clear longs out of here, like there's no. It's like when you see a 15-minute like this, like most likely we're just gonna dump straight through this, but yeah, so we just dump straight through that. Okay, so we just wicked out this hourly. We could have just made a SMT inside of this hourly gap, this intermediate low. I honestly want to see how we react off this. Damn, yeah, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna be honest, I'm pretty sure we just made an SMT with this hourly gap. Stop's gonna be right at this body low, and I'm gonna just, to be honest, it's a 5-minute gap. Yeah, I'm gonna target this 15-minute high here. I'm gonna go break even right here. Okay, I'd be break even there. Okay. I think I'm gonna do one more trade. One more. I'm gonna toss in a pouch here. One more. Oh shit. Oh, I got it. I don't know how you guys are doing, but it's 3:04 in the morning, and I'm just doing a good back testing video for you guys, so hopefully you enjoy it. Alright. First things first. Okay, so right now it does look kind of tricky. So we do these 2 clear draws on liquidity. Just obvious draws. These 2 clear draws. Also inside of this gap, just a clear, I don't know how to draw it, but just a clear pullback in here, and then going long, targeting this low resistance, liquidity built up, people trying to sell, these sellers getting bought up and just getting longed out of, but we'll see what happens. But basically I would only look for longs after, damn, I don't know if these lows got taken out of, but yeah, I'd wait for these lows to get taken out. Okay, bang, perfect. So these lows just got taken out. Right now we're sitting inside of this huge gap. I'll just mark this low. We're sitting inside of this huge gap. Perfect for longs. I don't know if it's gonna, oh, perfect. So right now, okay. So like right now, we're about to make a 15-minute. So this would be a sorry. Goddamn. A Mac model out of the 15-minute. So it's an inverse targeting a 15-minute gap or a 5-minute. So like, so we just take the 4-hour. We're about to inverse a one minute. Okay, so as soon as we inverse the highest time frame in this leg, which is these 2 1 minutes, but thing is my draw on liquidity is higher because we're inside this 4-hour gap. So if we inverse this 1 minute first, I'm gonna instantly take this trade no matter what, because my draw on liquidity is extremely higher, and that's it. Yeah, I would target this and higher because we have like this rounded top up here of these sellers, and even this high too, like this pre-market high, which is 730. But I'm not gonna target that, but that's probably gonna get hit. But I would target this high, but I would take most off here and then leave oops, shit, runners here. But I'm just gonna mark yeah, I'll just mark here for now. Just a 1 to 1 to 1.5. Damn.